In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock WhatsApp Web on your laptop. If you're someone who uses WhatsApp Web and wants to keep your messages safe from prying eyes, this tutorial is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know how to secure your conversations with just a few steps. First things first, let's start by opening WhatsApp Web in your browser. You can do this by navigating to the WhatsApp Web URL and scanning the QR code with your phone to link your account. Make sure you're logged in and ready to go because everything we'll be doing today revolves around the web version. Once you're on the WhatsApp web interface, look towards the bottom left corner of your screen for the gear icon. This little icon is your gateway to the settings menu where we'll find the options we need. Give it a click and you'll see the settings menu pop up on your screen. Now that you're inside the settings menu, look for the privacy option. Clicking on privacy is the key to accessing the security settings we need to set up a lock for your WhatsApp web. It might sound a bit technical, but don't worry, we're going to walk through each step clearly and simply. As you scroll through the privacy section, you'll find an option labelled App Lock. This is where the magic happens. There's a toggle switch right next to it. All you need to do is switch it on. By doing this, you're activating a lock mechanism for your WhatsApp web, adding an extra layer of security to your conversations. Next, it's time to choose and confirm your password. This step is crucial because it ensures that only you can access your WhatsApp messages on the web. Choose a password that's both secure and memorable for you. Once you've decided on a password, go ahead and enter it and then confirm it to make sure you haven't made any typing errors. Finally, there's an optional step you might find useful. You can set a timeout for automatic locking. This means that if you switch tabs or leave the page for a period of time, WhatsApp web will automatically lock itself. It's a handy feature if you're someone who occasionally steps away from your laptop or gets easily distracted. Choose a timeout duration that suits your needs for an added layer of convenience and security. And there you have it. Now you know how to lock WhatsApp web on your laptop. With these easy steps, you can be sure that your messages are protected and that your privacy is enhanced while using WhatsApp web. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, be sure to like this video and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Keep your conversations safe and happy messaging.